KOMO weather-worn day, Snoqualmie Falls came roaring to life today. The National Weather Service says the waterfall is the deepest it's been in 10 years, and there's more rain on the way. A second surge of an atmospheric river is expected to reach our shores later tonight. Nearly 24 rivers are under flood warnings as entire communities brace for the worst. Good evening, I'm Mary Nam.
And I'm Preston Phillips. After last night's downpour, roadways are swamped, cars submerged, and school districts had to cancel class. Tonight we have crews spread out across the region.
We begin with KOMO's Joel Brino live in Lewis County with a look at what the community is going through. Joel?
Mary and Preston, I've been speaking to people today who say they went to bed and the rivers were essentially fine, and then they woke up today and they were approaching flood stage and threatening property in all directions. And they tell me they are especially worried about what the next round of storms may bring. Road closure signs are there for a reason, especially when extreme storms drive up river levels. This is a case throughout Lewis County. The drivers of these vehicles had to abandon them.
It was dry yesterday. This all happened overnight.
Rich Hensman and his family are facing a stark reality in Chehalis, where the river surged through their property and began inching upward toward their home.
The Chehalis River currently runs through my backyard. You can see the water flowing through the back of my property.
Flooding across Lewis County forced the closure of major roads and several schools, and the worst may not be over.
Just lots of water over the roadway. Not a lot of people have been out and about.
The next storm front is forecast to cause rivers to rise again around Lewis County, and the increase could push some to flood stage.
But right now I've been checking the river levels. Everybody's, worried. I'm kind of a little stressed too myself.
There have also been a limited number of precautionary evacuations near some of the most impacted zones. And while these trapped cars get towed out, people are preemptively moving their vehicles to higher ground to avoid getting them damaged.
The end of the road that we live on, it was pretty flooded this morning, and so I'm going to go pick up my daughter early from school, and we're just going to hunker down at home for a while.
Interstate 5 remains open, but there are spots where the water has come nearly to the shoulders, and more heavy rain could be the difference.
But what's so bad is when it goes across that freeway.
It's pretty crazy. This property right here is usually dry, like I say, 11.5 months out of the year. And right now, we're looking at 8-10 feet of water on most of it. Yeah, we have seen clear signs that the floodwaters have been receding late this afternoon, but that relief could be short-lived. The Lewis County Emergency Management, they are monitoring for this next incoming storm and the predicted resurgence of river levels and any impacts that may bring. Reporting live, Joel Marino, KOMO News.